Hello and welcome to the Import OVA Images to OpenNebula screencast. In this screencast, we will walk through the process of importing a virtual machine image in the OVA format using OpenNebula's migration tool called OneSwap. OneSwap can take care of uploading OVA and VMDK images that previously were exported from the VMware infrastructure. This is the command line tool that is available in the official OpenNebula repository. Importing OVAs and VMDKs is just part of the functionality. OneSwap can migrate virtual machines from currently running VMware infrastructure. Please visit the official OpenNebula documentation to learn more about the OneSwap's requirements and configuration possibilities. First, let's install the OpenNebula swap package from the official OpenNebula repository. Since we're running Ubuntu 24.04 as our base operating system, we're going to install the package using apt. However, you should install the OpenNebula swap package using the package manager of your OS Linux flavor. Once the tool is installed, we're going to change the directory to tmp import that contains the OVA we're going to import. It's mandatory to set the data store to be used for storing all imported images. This is a fairly fresh and vanilla deployment of OpenNebula, thus we're going to use the default image data store with the ID 1. Now the process is initiated. Note that it may take some time to convert images, inject the context package to the operating system, and upload it to the image data store. It vastly depends on the size of the image. Now, as seen on the screen, the import is successful. Let's switch to the Sunstone web interface and navigate to the images page. As we can see, two new images have been added. By listing templates under the Templates VM Templates tab, we also can locate the similarly named virtual machine template. To make sure that the virtual machine template and images are indeed working, let's instantiate the virtual machine template. Select the virtual machine template and press the Instantiate button. You can configure networking while importing an OVA by appending --network followed by the IDs of the virtual networks, but we've decided to attach the virtual machine to a network during the instantiation process. Now we must wait until the virtual machine is in running state and can press the VNC button to make sure that there are no booting errors of the OS itself. The virtual machine seems fine, however, a booted virtual machine is just part of the verification process. OpenNebula has the contextualization package that exposes the management and customization of virtual machines. As part of the OS Linux-based tasks, the context package is going to add the user's secure shell public key to the authorized key file. Let's use the SSH to connect to the virtual machine and verify that the secure shell public key was added successfully. Switch to the command line of the front-end node and extract the ID of the VM. Then use the onevm SSH command with the extracted ID to access the virtual machine via the Secure Shell protocol using key-based authentication. As seen on the screen, we were able to log in successfully. This indicates that the context package was injected and works as expected. And this concludes the screencast where we have shown how to import the VMware's OVA image using the OneSwap tool and have verified that the operation was successful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next screencast.